Another handy trick you want to be very much aware of when you're inputting notes in Sibelius is the repeat feature. Have a look at what we have on the screen here, and you can imagine that that must have taken ages to input, because, let me just try and do it manually here. I would have to put the first note in, change it to a quaver. For the next one, change it back, change it up there, change it to quaver, change it back to semiquaver, and that's obviously using a mouse. Let's try and do it a wee bit quicker using numeric input. So if I carry on, so I've got the quaver there, the next note's going to be a G, then a quaver, then a semiquaver, then an E, then a quaver, then a semiquaver. It still takes a fair bit of time to get all that in. But let me show you a wee trick. The repeat feature in Sibelius is a very straightforward one, and let me show you in simple terms. If I take anything, let me just, for example, I'll put 2 quavers there and there. If I then select those quavers, anything that's selected, when you type the letter R, is immediately repeated after itself. Now at the moment I'm doing it with 2 notes. I could very easily do it for a bar, or multiple bars. So very quickly, if you've got a long repeated pattern, put one instance of the pattern in and then hit R as many times as you need to repeat it out to the appropriate number of times. So let me delete that and show you how quickly I put these 4 bars in. I'm going to do it down here so you can compare. Basically, I put the first beat in. I'm going to do it with the mouse, the slowest method possible, remember. So I put the G, then the quaver, and the semiquaver, and I stopped at that point, escape to finish. I then selected those notes, typed R, and repeated them, used the up arrow to put up a tone. R, down a tone. R, down to an E, R to an F, R, change it to a D, R, change it, R, change it. And now you'll notice that bars 3 and 4 are exactly the same as bars 1 and 2. So I can then just take bars 1 and 2, R, job done. A lot quicker than putting in every note manually, or even using FlexiTime option, is just to type the letter R.